Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to take screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy A05. Now, the first way of taking screenshots is by using the normal Android way, which is the power button plus volume down. So what you want to do is press these two buttons simultaneously. Just press them once and release, and that should take a screenshot. So power, volume down, press once, release. You can see the screen flashing. It takes a screenshot, gives you a quick tools panel at the bottom, and then it quickly disappears and saves the screenshot to your gallery. All screenshots will always go to your gallery. You can see the screenshot there. In fact, if you go to albums, you'll find that you have a special album for screenshots. That's where all the screenshots are going to be saved. So let's do that again quickly. So power button, volume down, press once and release. That takes a screenshot, as you can see. Now, another way you can take screenshots is by using the quick settings panel. So you want to scroll down to the quick settings panel and look for take screenshot option. If you don't find it, you can scroll all the way to the end and tap on that to edit the quick settings panel, and then look for take screenshot from the extra options or available buttons. Long press on it and then drag it to the main section and then tap on done. So from now on, whenever you scroll to the quick settings, you should find the option to take screenshot. You can tap on it. It's going to take a screenshot of whatever is on your screen, and of course give you the quick settings to either edit or share. Okay, now once you take a screenshot, you can quickly edit it or quickly share it. So like that, take a screenshot from the quick settings. You can tap on the crop option. That allows you to crop your screenshot quickly, and then you can also quickly share it to different social media accounts or save it to your gallery or even draw on it. Okay, now those are the two main ways of taking screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy A05. Now, in case you want to take a scrolling screenshot, you can use one of the two methods I've just shown you. But if you're on a scrollable page, for instance, you're on a browser page, or even on the settings page like this one, when you take a screenshot using either of the two methods I've shown you, it's going to give you the option to take a scrolling screenshot. So for instance, on this settings page, let's go ahead and press power and volume down. There you go, takes a screenshot. But this time you'll notice we have this option to scroll. So when you tap on it, it's gonna scroll and keep scrolling until it saves the screenshot. Okay, same goes for a browser window. Let's pick an article like this one, for instance. Okay, and you want to take a screenshot of this web page. So what you need to do is just take a screenshot, a normal screenshot. But because it's a scrollable page, it's going to give you the option to scroll and scroll, and you can tap on it for as far as you want to scroll. Once you're happy, you can tap on the image itself, open using the gallery, and there's a scrolling screenshot. Okay, so that's how to take scrolling screenshots and normal screenshots on your Galaxy A05. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.